Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at RiseGuide, an app designed for anyone looking to improve personal growth, learning, and productivity in a structured and manageable way. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by self-improvement content online or struggle to stick to habits, RiseGuide aims to solve that by giving you curated paths and actionable steps you can follow daily. What's really appealing about RiseGuide is how it organizes learning and growth into clear, achievable steps. Instead of random advice or tips, the app provides structured guides for specific areas, like boosting productivity, improving wellness, or developing new skills. You can track your progress visually, which helps keep you motivated, and the app sends reminders to help you stay consistent without feeling pressured. The design and interface are simple and user-friendly. It's easy to navigate between different guides, check your achievements, and see where you're making progress. There's also a community aspect where users can interact, share insights, and support one another, which can make staying accountable much easier. While some features require a subscription, the free version still gives a solid starting point for those who want to dip their toes in structured self-improvement. Overall, RiseGuide offers a balanced mix of guidance, motivation, and structure that makes personal growth more accessible and less intimidating. If you're looking for an app that helps you stay consistent, track progress, and learn step by step, it's definitely worth checking out. If you liked this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments which app you want me to cover next.